Right, let's go ahead and record is anybody absent?
No.
Okay, let's go ahead and record it for the next class and find your next empty page. And today we're going to start multiplying. Nope, we're just going to start with multiplying some plain old numbers. Okay, hang on one second. Whoops, I don't have anything numbered. Okay. Let me get caught up here. Okay. Okay. I just want you to write this. Now, when I have something that looks like this, that is the amount of numbers we're multiplying. So this means 4 numbers on top, all multiplied by 1 number. Okay, are y'all with me? 4 digit by 1 digit. Like, I just don't feel like writing out all those digits. Digit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and flip over to that page. Now remember that my title is the same as your topic on your table of contents, okay? So no problem. You're not going to get left behind. Okay. Huh? What do you mean?
Wait, are we like doing these questions like 4 times 1, 5 times?
Oh no. It's 4 digits, 4 numbers by 1 number.
Oh, okay. I was like,
Okay. So, real quick, let's talk about that real fast. For example, I just want to do like a little quick vocab check. Okay? If I give you a number like 2,346 times 7, remind me, what do I call these numbers? What are these called? They are whole numbers. But inside of a multiplication problem, what do I call the numbers that are being multiplied? It starts with an F. Good guess. Factors is correct. These are the factors. Okay? Anybody remember what the answer, let me squeeze this down a little. There we go. Anybody remember what the answer is called? Oh, Jackson, give someone a chance, son. He said product, and he is correctamundo. All right. Now we're going to continue again to review this vocabulary. It's an academic vocabulary, right? That sounds fancy. And because we need to know these words, all right? And they will come up again and again and again. All right, cool. So you have done some pretty simple multiplication, right? But now we're going to multiply in a different way, and it's going to involve a lot of carrying, okay? Have we done a problem like 23 times 7 before? Give me a thumbs up if you have done 23 times 7. Give me a thumbs up if you've done like 234 times 7. Oh, okay. Well, let's build it up then, okay? Let's build it up. Now, the good news is if you can do 23 times 7, all we're doing is adding another number, adding another number. The rules are all the same, okay? So we're not afraid of big numbers. We just need to build up to them, okay? You're not going to have a problem at all. All right, so let's just jump into it with an example and talk about how we're going to attack it. So let's go ahead and just do this. Let's do 234, and we're going to multiply it by 7. So just like you've done before, we want it vertical. We want it straight up and down, okay? And as I'm sure you remember, we're going to take our second factor, our bottom factor, and we're going to multiply it into the top factor by place values. And we're going to go to the ones, the tens, the hundreds. Really, guys, when you look at this problem, what you are doing is you're taking the value of every digit. So the 2, if I was doing, like, think of it like expanded form. The 2 would be 200. So what I'm doing really is taking 200 times 7. Then I'm adding it to, what's the value of the 3? Jacob! Sorry to wake you up, honey. What's the value of the 3? If I'm writing this as an expanded form, what would I put after, what would I put for the 3? 30 is correct. I'm taking 30 times 7. And what about the value of the 4, Odichi? Huh? It's just a ones place, yeah. So I'm adding 4 times 7. Are y'all with me there? Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Okay, so when I multiply this way, vertically, really what I'm doing is I am on one line multiplying by each place value, okay? Only the beauty is I don't have to add it all up like I would have to do here. Give me a thumbs up if this makes sense. Okay. Because this is essentially what you're doing, you have to carry numbers if they're more than 9. So anytime you have to carry like the tens place and put it on top, you're doing that because how this is broken down is bigger than you can keep on just one line. All right? Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if that makes sense. If you carry a number and don't add it in, that is why your problem fails. Does that make sense? It is important. Those carried numbers are important because they are part of multiplying by the place value. Okay, so when we attack this problem, we're going to start down here. So this is number 1, number 2, and then this is number 3. So, and let me just kind of draw this. We're going to go straight up, right? And then we go to the side, and then we go to the side. Does that look familiar? And I've got a number, and a number. So I multiply to this number, I multiply to this number, and then I multiply to this number. Just like you add and subtract, I'm going to start at the right and move to the left. Okay, I'm going to go to right to the left. Okay, any questions about that? Now, even though something like this may feel like, okay, I already know that, Miss Ben. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But understanding the why of what you're doing can sometimes help you to be more conscious of all the details, okay? So hang in there with me. I promise I'm not leading you down a broken road. All right, let's see if this purple will show up. So are we ready, or do y'all need a second? Jacob, are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm about to pass out.
Why are you sleep? You're so sleepy, honey.
You sleep in the class. Why you sleep in class?
He doesn't normally. He doesn't sleep in here.
How tired are you? On scale of 1 to 10. What time did you wake up?
Oh my goodness.
What time you wake up?
Sorry.
2 a.m. 5?
And stop. Try to stay awake, okay? All right, here we go.
Water on him.
All of y'all that are talking, I'm assuming, already have these notes written. All right, so we're going to start right here, right? And we're going to go up into the ones place. 7 times 4 is?
28.
Thank you. 28. Now, a big mistake that I see kids make is switching these numbers. Okay, you need to put it left to right, just like you would write the number 28. Okay? You need to keep them in that order. Even if one is above, it's got to be 28. Capiche? We're good? All right, now we're going to go to step 2, and we're going to take 7 times the tens place. 7 times 3 is?
21.
Thank you, 21. Plus 2 is, and now watch this, 23. Again, make sure you're writing in that order. And some of you are like, yeah, Span. You're going to be the one that flip-flops it, okay? You'll see it, and then you'll say, oh, she was right. You'll never admit it to me. But we'll both know somehow that it happened, all right? And that takes us to the hundreds place, which was our step 3, right? And 2 times 4, I heard somebody say 14. Plus 2 is 16. Now, I'm going to just write my 16 down here because there's nowhere to carry it. And that's when I know I'm done with that line. The future is a second number here, obviously, okay? Not right now, but for now, if I run out of numbers to carry to, I will just drop them on the line below. Don't forget your comma, and we are done. Okay? Any questions about that? It's basically what you have been doing, but with just an extra number, right? Yeah, Nehemiah.
There's a comma. Wait, there's a comma. Isn't a comma the other way?
No, sir. It's ones, tens, hundreds. Comma. Let's do it. Put your hands up. Ready? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. All right, so yes, we always do that from right to left. Remember, every single place value has it. 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, ones, tens, hundreds, comma. All right. Any questions about this so far? Give me a thumbs up if you're like, I can handle 3 numbers on top. I'm ready to roar. In the middle, if you remember it, but you want to practice it a little more, and thumbs down if you are lost. You've never seen this in your life. Waiting on Jacob. Thank you. Okay, we'll take it in the middle. Let's do another one, okay? Let's look at, and I'm like literally making these up, so nothing good will happen from that. Let's do 9, 8, 7, and then we'll do 4. All right. So, let's tackle this one. Again, we're going to go 4 times the ones place, times the tens place, times the hundreds place. Ready? 4 times 7 is 20. Carry that 2, 8, and keep the 8 below. Good job. Now we're going to take 4 times the tens place. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 2 is 30. Carry the 3.
34.
4. And put the 4 there in the tens place. Is everybody okay? Don't make your carry numbers that big because it'll be a big old mess later. And then that takes us to the hundreds place. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3 is 37, 38, 39. Now there's nowhere else to carry, so I'm going to drop my 39 below into my product or my answer. Add my comma. And I am nice. And then I'm finished. Any questions about this? Okay, let's do what you do, and I want you guys to try one of these by yourself, and then we'll check your work and see how you did. Let's make up another rough one. Let's see. The hardest problem I can. Ooh, I'm gonna try to trick you. Let's do.
Well, you shouldn't have said that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
And go. Now just focus on what you know about your math facts. What might trip you up is going to be so obvious when you're asked to break it down, okay?
Sorry, I wanted to move up here so I could see.
You're always welcome up here. No problem. All right, you guys keep working. All right, so let's check out your work. So again, we're going to go in order by place value. So we're going to go 6 times 9. Hit that ones place first. 6 times 9 is 54, right? Go ahead. No, it's 74. Yes. No, it's 54. Sorry, I'm having a moment. It's 54. Go ahead and shut the door. No, I'm just having a minute there. No, you're good.
64. I got it.
It's not 64. 6 times 10 is 60.
8 times 8 is 60.
So you have to take away 6 and you have 54. All right, now here's the moment. I just had a moment. Now here's the moment you might have paused. Jacob, now you're awake and talking? I'm sending this video to your mom. All right. 6 times 0 is?
0.
Anything times 0 is 0. 0, right? Now, 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, so make sure you had a 5 there. And then that takes me to the hundreds place. So 6 times 2 is 12, and there's nowhere to carry that number. So I'm going to write 12 in next, and I'm done. Now, if you did not get this right, you've already figured out what you did wrong. Raise your hand and tell us about it. Okay? Yeah, Carson.
I got 64 instead of 50.
So your multiplication, okay. Multiplication facts sometimes definitely get in the way of correct answers. Jolie?
I messed up my multiplication.
Messed up your multiplication facts. Anybody else get thrown off by the 0? Does anybody have an answer that's a little bit off but you're not sure what you did? I would say the top contenders for why we get these problems wrong, number 1 are the multiplication facts. Just multiplying something wrong. Like I just doubted myself for 1 second, right? There's no reason why I don't know what 9 times 6 is, but I just lost my mind. The second is not adding the carried numbers. Okay? That's usually it's one of the top problems that you're going to have. Yeah, John.
I have a tip. This is what my old math teacher taught me.
Uh-huh.
Multiplying nines. So it was 9, 18, 27. So you add 110 like every single time.
Mm-hmm.
You go down in the ones every single time.
Oh, yeah. So what John is saying is if you do struggle with your 9s, you can actually write them like this. Wait, let me make sure I'm not getting this wrong. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. So I can start with 0 and go down on the left side. And then from the right, I can start at the bottom and go up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that will get you your multiplication facts from 9 times 1 to 9 times 10. Okay? I always, if I'm thinking 9 times 6, what I usually do is I think 9 anything times 9, I think that number times 10. So like for 9 times 6, I would say, well, 6 times 10 is 60. If I take away 6, I have 54. So there's also like a hand trick. I'm not a fan of that one because it always kind of throws me a little bit. But there are ways to master these things where, if you've decided that the 9s are hard, they're not that big of a deal. Okay, how did we feel on this one? Give me a thumbs up if you aced it. In the middle, if you know what you're doing but you made a small mistake. And thumbs down if you feel lost about what we're doing right now.
You want to go home?
You always want to go home. What do you want, Mr. Callan?
Can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, but next time you can. Where's my silent symbol? Let me see it. Thank you. Oh, were you throwing it out and I didn't see you? Okay. Thank you. Everybody do the potty symbol. Both hands. Okay, we're still recording. Okay. All right. So we're looking good here. Now, let's do another one, and we're going to add in that 4th number. Are you scared? Are you scared?
No.
You better not be. Okay. Here we go. So, are y'all seeing that green okay?
Yes.
Is it okay? All right. Let's do 4 digits. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's multiply that by 3. I'll take it easy on you. All right, so now we're just going to add in, I don't know, that's kind of light. Like we're doing the same thing. We're going to multiply by the 1's place, carry numbers if we need to, multiply by the 10's place, carry our number, and then add a carried number if we need to, all the way through the 1,000's place, okay? We're not scared of it. We're just going to follow the same pattern that we've been following, all right? So 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1, drop the 5. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1, drop the 3. And guys, you need right now to be making columns. You need to keep the 1s with the 1s and the 10s with the 10s, because again, what's coming is a bunch of numbers down here, and you're going to have to add all this stuff up, and you're going to be happy that you practice being tidy. You should be able to draw a line straight down and keep those numbers straight, okay? Your future you will thank me. All right, that takes us to the 100's place. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Go ahead and carry that 1 and drop the 0 in the 100's place. And last but not least is the 1,000's place. So I've got 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And remember, I've got 1s, 10s, 100s. Excuse me. 1s, 10s, 100s. Y'all, are y'all kidding me right now? I swear on the Holy Bible, I'm going to go to Walmart and be a door greeter.
Are you sure?
Well, obviously y'all are not listening to me. So here I've got 1s, 10s, 100s. Oh my goodness, thank you.
Are you actually going to be
Thank
a
you.
grader?
I don't know, I might. Because my students don't listen to me. And I'm like, 1s, 10s, 100s, 1s, 10s, 100s. And then they're like, Okay, I'm over it. Are you ready? Should we do another one, or do y'all want to try one? Let's do one more. Let's do one more together. Who's screaming? Holy Pinion. And on your mama's birthday. All right. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2 times 8. We haven't done an 8, have we? Oh, sorry. Here we go. Y'all see that one? Yeah, yes, go ahead. All right, get it ready. 5, 4, 3, 2 on top and 8 on bottom. All right, so let's go. We're going to take that 8 times the 1s, times the 10s, times the 100s, times the 1,000s. So 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1 and put that 6 right in the 1's place. All right, time for tens. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. So I'm going to carry the 2 and drop the 5 in the tens place. Time for hundreds. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 2 is 34. So carry the 3 and write the 4 in the hundreds place. Nope. I don't know why I keep writing those 3s so big. That takes us to the thousands. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 3 is 43. Now there's nowhere for us to carry. So I'm just going to finish 43 here in my product or my answer. And I'm going to count. Oh, Jacob, I swear this is like the 50th time I've called your name. Please stop. Ones, tens, hundreds.
Comma!
Thank you. Who did that? Give yourself plus 5 for comma. Ones, tens, hundreds.
Comma!
Thank you. All right. Y'all, that comma matters. All right. Put it in there. I'll be the first one to say sometimes I don't like if it's in the thousands. Like if it's 1,000, I might not write the comma. But you need to write it. Okay. You got to put it in there. Hey, Nehemiah.
When you did 5,432, you forgot the comma.
Exactly. See, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I put it up here, but I didn't. Now, is it as important up here as it is down here?
No.
No, and I'm not justifying. I'm just saying, like, that's, and I'm literally, like, thinking out numbers as I go. But he's absolutely right. I just, like I said, I leave them off all the time. So I did leave one off there. All right, let's try a you do. Let's see how you guys fare by yourself. Now, remember, mistakes happen when you are not taking your time and going through every single detail. So go slow. Let's do 9, 8, 7, 5 times 6. Oh, I don't know why I keep doing that. Here you go. Now you can see it. Okay, you guys try that one on your own, and then we will check your work when you're done. Check your work. All right. So let's go ahead. We're going to, again, multiply in order by place value. 6 times 5 is 30. Guys, put that 3 on top and the 0 in the ones place. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 3 is 45. I'm going to carry my 4 and leave the 5 in the tens place. That's not a coincidence. I just multiplied by the tens place, didn't I? Now hundreds. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 4 is 52. Carry your 5 and leave the 2 in the hundreds place. And then we're multiplying by thousands. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 5 is 59. Then I'm going to count over. Ones, tens, hundreds. Comma.
What was that?
All right. How'd we do? And if you made a mistake, have you figured it out yet? Tell us. Yeah, Nehemiah.
I accidentally, I added 4 instead of 5, and I got 98, but I checked my answer and I got 59.
Oh, okay. So he just added the carry number wrong. Okay. Anybody else?
No.
Those are easy mistakes to make. Okay. So if you find yourself, again, just take your time and add them up slowly. Double check your numbers. Jacob, you stretching? Okay. I thought you had your hand up. All right. Any questions about this? All right. It's time for houses. So hang on one second. I think when we come back tomorrow, let me pause this because y'all are going to cry.